I need to rest my boy. I think I've taken it too far. I need a cold glass of water and a place to fall apart. I need to rest my boy. Yeah.